Good afternoon, friends. This is Jagannath, Associate Professor, Rajiv Gandhi and Kite Institutions. And as per the request of my friend, Mr. Vait Purnanand, I'm having a brief talk on role of radio in our society. I'm a fond listener of radio from my childhood, and radio plays a very, very vital role in all parts of life and all times. See, radio has been introduced into the society way back into 1930, and 1930 onwards, radio has been started commencing, and the British Broadcasting Corporation of India has started initiated this production of radio in India when we are in the British rule, and later on it has converted into All India Radio. This All India Radio has around 2,000 radio stations now across the India and also abroad, and they have started transmitting the signals whereby people enjoy this radio in a wonderful way. And where is it used? When is it used? And how it is used? Radio is a very big device when in the first days, early days. And 1939 itself, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras have started this radio. And in Vividha Bharati is one initiation of radio in way back in 50s, the starting of Vividha Bharati has come. Vividha Bharati gives a wider range of radio programs, being considering the whole India as a part and also has a language development program. And we now also see that Prime Minister of India is making a very wonderful startup for this radio. And Man Ki Baat is a wonderful program, easily accepted and received by the people. And now, as we take a where the radio is being useful and what is the situation the radio is used in the during the time of cyclone, the radio signals are no TV signal, no other communication part, but radio plays a vital. And how does radio work? Radio works on a pure battery power, whereas no electricity is also required. And even the signals are so strong that can be received by a longer distance variation. For example, I tell you in my childhood days, we used to receive radio signals from Sri Lanka. And that is popularly called as Radio Ceylon. And where the programs are very, very famous in those days, every 2:30 to 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we used to have Telugu programs in Radio Ceylon. And we also very fond and very notable person called Meenakshi Pannudarai used to anchor. And till this day, we still remember that lady, Meenakshi Pannudarai. During the evening time on every Wednesday, a program called Binaka Geetmala used to come. And that Binaka Geetmala is a very good recording and is a wonderful program regarding the latest songs in those days. And this program has been transmitted, and way back from Ceylon, the transmission used to come to Indian borders. And we, the coastal districts of India and the coastal Bay of Bengal, we also used to enjoy this program. So what is an advantage of a radio? When Prasara Bharati has started up in 1990, all the radio programs and Doordarshan has been separated, and previously Doordarshan and All India Radio used to be together. And later on, Doordarshan and All India Radio as a separate player. And once the Prasara Bharati has started up, now we can have a Prasara Bharati app where you can have 200 radio stations at your disposal. And what is the importance of radio? One more importance of radio is it is very, very portable. Now you have the radio in your small cell phone. This cell phone carries your radio. And once you have net connection, you can do it through an online radio. And if you don't have net connection, if you just plug in headphones, these headphones will act as a what you call antenna, whereby you can get a wonderful program on this radio. What are the wonderful programs that you will be listening to this radio? First and foremost thing, waking up at 6 o'clock. Radio gives a wonderful music program and also a religious aspect and also a wonderful startup to your life. And later on, you'll have what you call important news item. 8 o'clock, you'll get news. And later on, after 8 o'clock, you'll have, and after 8 o'clock, somewhere like 1 minute, please. After 8 o'clock, again in the midday news, 2 o'clock midday news, the Indian is very famous in All India Radio. 2 to 2:30, you will get a wonderful midday news covering all aspects of Indian highlights of breaking news, including sports and an international. Midday news is a wonderful listing. You can listen to the midday news and it will be transmitted to all the radio stations throughout India. So mostly it's heard that more than 95% of the population are under this radio signal, and people can enjoy this program by sitting in their house. And most advantage of this radio is, the role of radio is, you can listen to the radio and do your own work. Previously, you used to have only transmitters and receivers where you can use to do your work. At the same time, you can be listening and be well informed to this work. And one more wonderful app I want to tell to my friends is the Radio BBC. BBC Radio is a wonderful app whereby you can put your own duty, you can do your own work. At the same time, you can be connected to the globe. And the BBC, as you know, it's a pioneer in the radio. And whereas whenever you listen to this program, you can develop your language. At the same time, you will be connected to the globe, and it will be giving you the topmost information up to date of the society. And role of functions of radio in the society, functions of electric media and the audio communication. The news talk, shows, advertises, and other programs. The radio creates awareness of society of happenings within and outside the given. And once the programs and agriculture sector, and whereas the what you call weather reports, sectors, and interaction programs, and also your entertainment. The social members are entertained through the music and plays. Some radio stations have humorous program, morning and evening program. Radio kills boredom and occupies the people through their leisure. Leisurely, you can enjoy radio program. At the same time, you can relish and you can be well informed with the society. So once you are well informed, you are termed to be learned. A learning person should be always be connected to the world. Unless you connect to your world, you cannot. When you listen to the Man Ki Baat program of Narendra Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister, you will see the enthusiasm in his talk. It gives you a wonderful understanding, and we all feel that we are all one. And we belong to India, and India is the superpower going to be in the very near future. And also this calamity, the coronavirus, is proving us to be going ahead towards this globalization, whatever things it is, we are going to rule this world. Our medicines are being done, our practices are well accepted, and this is how you can. And one more wonderful thing which radio can give you is mobilize the society towards a common goal. Whenever you want a common goal, whenever the message is to be communicated, psychologically support to the society, radio do so very vital. And you will be connected one part, and you'll be listening to this radio, you'll be enjoying music, you'll be happy all the time, and you'll be communicating to your friends, and you'll be always to be connected to this. And likewise, the advantage of radio is that the media for huge population, and message can be communicated to the huge population, and radio can be enjoyed at home. And also at the office and within your car, and also enjoyed wherever you go, you can enjoy it. One the thing you need to have a small cell phone, even the what you call the minimum of the lowest price of cell phone, a small cell phone without an Android or without a net connectivity, without a Wi-Fi, whatever it is, you have a radio in your cell phone. And for that radio, you need to have an earphone. Earphone also acts as an antenna for your radio. Once you plug in the earphone, you can listen to the radio through your ears. Or if you don't find putting this inconvenient of putting your earphones and listening, you can do one wonderful thing is you can switch on this microphone of your what you call speaker of your cell phone, whereby your voice can be, the voice of the radio can be heard loud. So likewise, and disadvantage is only audio is audible. So, and one more thing, it's not a disadvantage, it's an advantage because it saves your eyes. Children need not get what you call addicted to the TV program, and you can do your work and listen to your program. And people now say people are addicted to serials, they don't come out, they don't do that, you don't do this. And once you are having an advantage of listening to the radio, you can be on your work. At the same time, you can be listening and communicating and enjoying your life. Thank you very much. And I thank Mr. YP Anand for inviting me for a small talk on this radio. And I'll be coming up more and more other programs also at your interest and at my interest. Thank you very much. Thank you.